Hello everyone, Rajesh Ravani here. Welcome all you to video which is about option selling strategy called short straddle. So this can be done either on Bank Nifty and also for Nifty options. So at 9:21 we need to sell CE and PE of ATM strike price with 25 percentage of stop loss on each leg. Each leg which I meant is for CE 25 percentage and for PE 25 percentage. And in any case, if one stop loss hits, we need to move other stop loss, the other leg stop loss to the cost price. So instead of 25, we need to just move that to the cost price. The stop loss should not exit more than 3000. If it exits 3000, we should cut off and we should exit the trade. And there is no target, we should just exit at 315. So this time is up to you. You can exit at 315 also with the market order, whatever the price, you can just exit this option. So let me show you the backtest data of 2018 and 19 first. I will just walk through on that. So this strategy has been backtested in Stockmark website. So this website you can just make use of this to backtest your option strategies. It is very simple and more efficient and faster. I will give you my link of the Stockmark. So you can just, if you want to sign up, you click on the link which is there in the description. And if you see, this is the strategies which is specified. Square off one leg and move to cost. So which means that if one leg is out with the stop loss, we need to move the other one to the cost price. So that's what we mentioned here. If you see, one lot of ATM and put and one lot of ATM call of Bank Nifty with stop loss of 25 percentage. The entry time is 9:21. I just backtested with 3:05 p.m. but you can just increase the timing as I felt like we have more time to square off. And the overall stop loss should not cross more than 3000. So when we backtested, let me show you the data. So this is for 2018. If you see, the overall profit of the year is more than 1,13,000. So the capital required for the strategy for one lot would be not more than 1.5 lakh. So which means that you will be getting more than 75 percentage of returns in a year if you implement this strategy. Similarly, if you go to the 2019, if you see, you will be getting 1,79,000. So this is more than 100 percentage. You can see that here this is for 2020 backtest results. The strategy is same as applicable what we have discussed earlier. And if I come down, see the profit, so it is 2,62,000. So this is more than 2018 and 19. You see, this overall profit is 2,62,000. That's all about the backtest results. This is the Stockmark website where I have backtested. So you can just sign up and you will be getting 10 credit by default daily. And you will be getting a bonus credit of around 3 or 4, I guess, so for signing up. And that can be used for backtesting the year data, like the complete year. But whereas this 10 credits which you get daily free credits, right, so that you can just utilize for backtesting for a month. I can show you how I have done is short straddle, and let me set it to ATM. Oops. ATM call and put, move to cost price, and let me have stop loss of 25 percentage on both the legs. And it is Bank Nifty. Entry time is 9:21. Exit time should be 3:10. And let me make it as 3000 loss, MTM loss, and start backtesting. It's so simple and it is very quick. You will get a backtest results instantly. You can see all the details over here. The overall profit for a month is 27,000, and you can see the maximum loss which we said, right, 3,000, and maximum drawdown is 12,984. So all these details you can see it here. And if you need to see the individual profit, like it is run from 20, can see the date here, it is from the April 27 to May 28, right? So that's the reason you are just seeing the profit over in April month and also in the May month. you can just go over here and see the profits and loss what you have got for entire month. See this entire week is the bad week, right? But still it is able to give this much of profit. You can just imagine like 1.5 lakh you are investing and you are getting 27,000 of profit is more than enough, right? So the only thing is you need to follow it consistently with the proper discipline. You should not think like you have lost for entire week and think like, okay, we need to stop it, right? So if you would have stopped, see this, and the following days I have given profit. If you want to open a Demat account with Zerodha or Fires, you can just check the description. I just provided the link for opening the account. I have written an algo for this, and I will post you the video which I am taking with the MTM at the end of the day, so that you will get some confidence on this strategy. And once you have trusted this, you can just go live, and you can also even backtest with different criterias by setting up target profit, or you can change the timings, whatever you need. You can just still modify this by using stock mark, can backtest, and then you can just take a live trade. This one would be the best scenario, like best criteria entry and exit, which I was fixing it for myself, so I just shared with you. Thank you everyone, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.